Montreal is one of Canada's most popular tourist destinations, and there's a good reason why. This city is considered the center of all things cultural in Canada. There are almost 90 festivals each year, giving Montreal the nickname the City of Festivals.
Montreal is known the world over for its festivals. So many different festivals here, it's known as the Festival City.
If you've been to Montreal but didn't attend a festival, did you even go to Montreal? The city boasts dozens of festivals all throughout the year.
We have festivals literally for everything, whether it's a poutine fest or jazz fest or just for laughs fest.
Are you all enjoying your comedy festival? I've never been in a city before that's had so much going on in one calendar year. Festivals all the time, comedy festival, jazz festival, book festival, film festival. Montreal's like one giant kid with ADD that just constantly needs to be entertained. Try a night in.
Montrealers have a particular passion for their city in the summer. It's about living outdoors and enjoying a city that hosts more than 40 major events. You've got to be here.
This is going to be a great day. We're off to Montreal to go to a fireworks festival, the Ronde theme park.
Every summer, La Ronde organizes a big international firework competition called l'International des Feux, l'Auto-Québec.
Quebec's largest amusement park, La Ronde, was part of Expo 67. It's a good spot to watch another summer festival, the International Fireworks Competition.
In the summer, Montreal holds an international fireworks competition where a different country showcases their pyrotechnic skills every week over the course of 8 to 9 weeks. It's the largest fireworks competition in the world.
They're huge. These are literally like the biggest fireworks I've ever seen. There's so many people.
This is insane. Look how many people are just on the street. This is insane. I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Like, this is unreal. Like, holy crap.
The Montrealers, they expect to be impressed.
Wow.
The festival features spectacular firework displays by some of the world's top pyrotechnic companies, with the top 3 countries awarded the Bronze, Silver, and Gold Jupiter Award.
The Olympics of fireworks display competitions, and to win this is a big thing for people in the fireworks industry.
Widely considered the Oscars of the pyrotechnic industry, the Montreal Fireworks Festival is the largest and most prestigious fireworks competition in the world. It draws an estimated 3 million spectators each year, with 6,000 fireworks set off during each show.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What? Holy crap! La Ronde? What?
They are the best fireworks I've seen anywhere, bar none. Take the usual finale of the other fireworks displays and maintain that for a half hour straight. That's what you get at La Ronde, and you're super close to the fireworks too.
One thing that's unique about Montreal is the audience sits extremely close, or they have the impression of sitting very close. And there's the lake and there's the different firing positions, and so it's a very intimate theatrical experience.
Here's all the grandstands, and then obviously people watch from the bridges and pretty much anywhere they can get a view of the fireworks.
The experience is like made for the people there.
Yes.
Yes, and that is just a plus that people elsewhere in the city are able to see it.
Right.
Yeah.
They're so up close, they take over your whole view area. Like, it's mind-blowing, really.
It's hard to beat as well. People talk about it, they remember it, puts a smile on their face, and they come back next year for more.
Fireworks really transcend all cultures. They transcend language. It is a form of art. We have to be able to have some fun, and I think fireworks are a great way to give people that fun and that enjoyment.
It's the power of nature controlled in an artistic way, and when the display works really well and the music's working, it's a really special feeling.
Going off the island to watch fireworks. This week it's France, so let's see how France does.
Français, bonjour, bonjour.
A local told me that the Jacques Cartier Bridge was a great place to watch the fireworks from. On this particular night, it was Croatia's time to shine.
This is one of the best spots to watch them from. They close the bridge.
The city of Montreal completely closes the bridge to car traffic from 8:30 p.m. until at least 11:30 p.m. on these nights, so pedestrians can watch the fireworks from there.
We're on the bridge to watch the fireworks. It's so pretty.
A really nice experience. It's for free again, and then for people who just for no reason whatsoever love bridges like I do,
You want to just walk on the bridge.
you will have a good time there. One that I actually enjoyed so much, Clock Tower Beach.
And the fact that you can see the fireworks, but also the bridge. The
Right.
lights of the fireworks reflects on
course.
the water, and it's so beautiful.
This looks really nice here with the reflections in the water. And that, I believe, is where they launched the fireworks from. So this right here is the entrance to where you can reserve a seat for the fireworks, or you can do what we do and not pay and just stand and watch.
Yay, for saving money!
What a concept.
We are ending 2 days at La Ronde with the International Fireworks Festival. Tonight's theme is Italy, and we're super excited for this.
Mesdames et messieurs, accueillons notre maître de cérémonie, Monsieur Michel Lacroix.
Mesdames, Messieurs, bonsoir. Along this place to welcome you tonight to the 35th edition of the Montreal International Fireworks Competition, known as l'International des Feux d'Auto-Québec, the most prestigious pyromusical competition.
On Bixie bikes, we're on our way to the fireworks. Look at the fireworks.
Starting.
Que tombe la nuit, que la fête commence. 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice colors. Oh wow.
Oh my god!
Wow. How? How? Wow! Wow! What? Holy! What the hell is that?
This is insane. I've never seen anything like this in my life. So much fun!
When you play the concert, you know why. When fireworks are lighting up the sky. I see the moon that's shining bright. Playing in Montreal on a Saturday night.
We're watching fireworks, guys. And they're huge. They're literally like the biggest fireworks I've ever seen. There's so many people. Like, these look so cool.
I can't believe they're still going.
A long show. These fireworks have been going for a while now, and they're still going. Yeah, this is a very impressive show.
This show has literally gone on for 26 minutes.
This is crazy cool.
It's still going.
Like, this is unreal. This freaking show is still going.
Oh my god, no wonder they don't do this often. It must cost them a fortune.
This is the longest fireworks show I've ever seen in my
It's
life.
epic. It's so good.
I can't believe this.
It's time to say goodbye.
Finale time.
spectateur d'or de la 34e édition de l'International des Feux d'Auto-Québec est Philippines.
The Philippines. The Dragon Fireworks représenté par Jovenson Hong et Don Miguel Villarosa.
Dragon Fireworks captured the hearts of many with their universal pyrotechnic themes and winning Montreal's famous fireworks competition. It was no small feat for this Bulacan-based company. They came weeks in advance to make up for a shipping mishap, but they still came out on top, despite it being the first time the team competed.
It's like a dream come true for Filipinos, right? All over the world. It's our first time to represent here in Montreal and they won.
Oh my god! I've never seen fireworks like that! That was at LaRonde? LaRonde is lit! I told you!
LaRonde's pretty lit. That was unbelievable.
Better than Disney.
Area, what just happened? And how is no one going to believe us that we just saw one of the best fire shows of our entire life? The entire time I was just so impressed. Everything was choreographed to the music so perfectly. Everything about that show was just top notch. I'm speechless.
Wow, what an epically awesome day. Kick butt fireworks show. It was really cool.
That was incredible.
LaRonde has the best fireworks show I've ever seen.
Those fireworks were amazing. Thanks to South Korea for doing that. That was amazing what you guys did.
Oh my god, what was that? What happened?
It was
amazing.
Was there any doubt that this is the spot to watch fireworks from?
They're so close,
Yeah.
and like literally when you look in front of you, you don't see anything else. So good.
Yeah, fireworks at LaRonde.
That fireworks display was absolutely amazing. I'm so shocked by it. I had heard about it because of social media, but I kind of wrote it off. Excellent.
Through traffic jams because people stopped in the middle of the road just to watch the fireworks. And no one was mad. That was the amazing, beautiful thing. Everyone was like, oh, you're stopped? Okay, I guess we all can stop and look at the fireworks and hang out.
Fireworks invoke emotions that are outside of words almost, because it appeals to such a basic instinct. Everyone's fascinated by stuff that's happening in the sky.